India stands at the heart of global fashion manufacturing, where craftsmanship, technology, and sustainability come together to serve the world's most prestigious brands. A luxury garment factory begins with intelligent infrastructure, digitally planned spaces that ensure efficiency, safety, and environmental responsibility. Precision machinery forms the backbone of luxury manufacturing, reducing waste, enhancing accuracy, and delivering flawless finishes. Behind every luxury garment is a skilled workforce: designers, pattern masters, operators, auditors, and managers, each role shaping excellence. Sourcing defines brand value. Organic fabrics, certified materials, ethical suppliers, and complete traceability power sustainable luxury. Every stage follows a disciplined flow, digitally monitored to ensure consistency, speed, and uncompromised quality. Specialization drives excellence: structured tailoring for menswear, refined detailing and silhouettes for women's fashion. Luxury demands zero compromise. Every garment passes strict quality and global compliance standards. Finished garments are packaged with care and precision, ready to travel from India to global luxury markets. From ethical sourcing to refined craftsmanship, every garment tells a story of responsibility, precision, and global excellence. India's garment factories are more than production centers. They are finely tuned ecosystems. From fiber to fashion, every link in the supply chain moves with precision, responsibility, and purpose, delivering quality to the world on time, every time. If you like this video, please give a like and click the subscribe button for more content. Thank you.